The views expressed are solely for educational purposes. Investing in the stock market involves risks. Please consult your financial advisor and do your own research before making any investment decisions. Hello everyone. Today we're talking about Juniper Green Energy Limited, one of India's renewable energy companies focused on developing and operating solar, wind, and hybrid renewable energy projects. Headquartered in New Delhi, India, Juniper Green Energy is an independent power producer that develops, owns, and operates renewable energy projects and supplies clean electricity through long term power purchase agreements. Now, let's take a look at the IPO details. Juniper Green Energy is launching a book built IPO with a total issue size of 1,800 crore rupees, comprising entirely a 100% fresh issue with no offer for sale. The IPO will open for subscription on 30th July 2026 and close on 3rd August 2026. The shares are expected to list on the exchanges on 6th August 2026. The company has fixed a price band of 214 rupees to 225 rupees per share. The lot size is 66 shares, requiring a minimum investment of approximately 14,850 rupees for retail investors at the upper price band. At 225 rupees per share, Juniper Green Energy is expected to have a post-issue market capitalization of around 12,802.47 crore rupees. At this valuation, the company is valued at a price to earnings ratio of approximately 316 times. Now let's look at the company's financial performance. Juniper Green Energy has shown steady revenue growth over the last 3 financial years. In FY 2024, the company reported revenue of 424.45 crore rupees and a profit after tax of 40.06 crore rupees. In FY 2025, revenue increased to 569.78 crore rupees, while profit after tax stood at 36.48 crore rupees. For FY 2026, revenue further increased to 804.93 crore rupees, with profit after tax improving to 40.46 crore rupees. Now, let's look at the key performance indicators as of March 31, 2026. EBITDA margin 85.99%. Return on net worth 1.18%. Debt to equity ratio 3.77 times. Price to book value 3.21 times. These numbers indicate exceptionally strong operating margins. However, the company's low return on net worth and relatively high debt levels remain important factors for investors to consider. Now let's understand how the company plans to utilize the IPO proceeds. Approximately 683.24 crore rupees will be used for the repayment or prepayment of borrowings at the company level. Another 728.69 crore rupees will be invested in subsidiaries to reduce their outstanding borrowings. The remaining funds will be utilized for general corporate purposes. Now let's compare its valuation with listed renewable energy peers. Juniper Green Energy valuation appears higher compared to some listed renewable energy companies. For comparison, ACME Solar Holdings trades at a PE ratio of around 50.74 times. Adani Green Energy trades at around 100 on 1.53 times. NTPC Green Energy trades at around 129.40 times. This indicates investors are pricing in strong future growth expectations. Now let's discuss the key risk factors. The biggest concern is the company's high debt of 13,266 crores rupees. Renewable energy projects require heavy capital investment, and Juniper Green Energy has significant borrowings, making debt management important. Another risk is dependence on long-term power purchase agreements. Any delays in payments, policy changes, or regulatory challenges can impact business performance. The company also faces competition and execution risks while expanding its renewable energy portfolio. So, what's the final verdict? Juniper Green Energy operates in a high-growth renewable energy sector and has demonstrated consistent revenue growth along with strong EBITDA margins. However, investors should carefully consider the company's high debt levels, low return on net worth, and capital-intensive business model before making an investment decision. At present, there are no confirmed grey market premium figures or brokerage recommendations available. Therefore, investors should focus on the company's fundamentals, valuation, and long-term growth prospects while evaluating this IPO. That's all for today's IPO review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more IPO reviews, stock market updates, and investment insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.